We're going to talk about something super important but often forgotten: recovery. When we exercise, we all focus a lot on doing the work, like lifting weights or running. But resting and recovering after all that effort is just as key to getting stronger and healthier. Think of recovery as the secret ingredient in your fitness recipe. It's not just about chilling out or doing nothing. It's about smartly taking care of yourself so that your body can repair, grow, and get ready for more action. We're going to show you that taking the time to recover is actually a big part of your exercise plan. So let's understand recovery. And part of this is breaking down what happens after you exercise. After you work out, your body starts this sort of cleanup and repair job. It fixes the tiny tears in your muscles, and that's a good thing. It's how you get stronger. It'll top up your energy tanks. It reduces swelling that might have happened during your workout. This is all really important, but here's the deal. If we don't give our bodies enough time to do this repair work, we might not get the full benefits of our workout. We could also get hurt more easily, which nobody wants. And that's why paying attention to recovery is a must-do for keeping up with our fitness goals and staying injury-free. Ignoring recovery can actually make us go backwards instead of getting fitter and stronger. Think about it like this. If you keep driving a car really hard and never take it in for maintenance, it's going to break down. Our bodies are the same. They need that maintenance time to keep running smoothly. Recovery is also about listening to our bodies. Our body's pretty smart, and it gives us clues when we need to slow down or change what we're doing. And this workshop is all about finding out how to listen better and use recovery to your advantage. So let's figure out how to make recovery work for you. We're going to dive into some really simple and easy ways to make recovery a regular part of your routine. Whether you're someone who loves to be on the go or someone who's just starting to get more active, understanding how to recover properly is key to feeling great and reaching your health goals. And by the end of our time together, you're going to see how recovery isn't just something extra. It's a big part of getting fit and staying healthy. So we're excited to share how making smart recovery choices can help you keep moving, keep feeling good, and getting stronger. So let's go ahead and jump in here. Recovery is going to be our secret weapon to a healthier and happier you. First area we're going to look at is sleep, your superpower for recovery. Sleep is a game changer for recovery. You know how good it feels to get into bed after a long, busy day. That's because sleep is a time that your body is going to almost gain its superpowers, if that were a thing. It's when you charge back up. It's when you fix those muscles that you worked out and getting your energy levels ready for another day. Sleep is like hitting that reset button. Not only does it help fix the wear and tear from your workouts, but it also helps your brain to clear out all the junk so you're sharper and more focused. And guess what? Getting enough sleep can even help you feel less hungry during the day. Pretty nice. So let's talk about how to make the most out of your sleep. Now, we all know it's not just about getting to bed, it's about getting good sleep. And so here are some super simple tips to help you get the best sleep ever. First, make it a routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yeah, even on weekends. Your body loves routines, and sticking to one makes falling asleep and make it waking up way easier. Set the scene. Make your bedroom a sleep haven. Keep it cool and dark and quiet. Think about getting some blackout curtains or a white noise machine if you need to. The right environment can really make a huge difference. Wind down. Give yourself time to wind down before bed. Maybe read a book, listen to some music, or do some gentle stretches. It's all about telling your body, hey, it's time to slow down. This might be the time to put away devices. And then watch what and when you eat and drink. Try not to eat a big meal right before bed, and then cut down on the caffeine and sugary drinks in the afternoon and evening. They can make it harder to fall asleep. Tech timeout. This one's tough, but try to put away your phone, tablet, and TV at least an hour before bed. The light from screens can mess with your sleep hormones and make it harder to doze off when you can't sleep. Now, we'll talk about what happens when you can't sleep. So let's talk about what happens when you can't sleep. Sometimes even with the best routine, sleep just doesn't come easily. And that's okay. If you find yourself tossing and turning, try getting up and doing something quiet and calming until you feel sleepy. It's better than lying in bed worrying about not sleeping. Sleep also is part of your fitness plans. Just like your workout, think of sleep as part of your fitness plan. Getting enough good sleep helps your muscles recover, keeps your brain sharp, and helps you make healthier eating choices. So let's make sure we're giving sleep the attention that it deserves. It's not just about resting, it's giving your body and mind what they need to be their best. And there you have it. Simple steps to make sleep your powerful ally in recovery. And as we keep going on this journey, remember that every bit of rest counts. Sleep isn't just a timeout from being active, it's an active part of getting stronger, healthier, and happier. So let's make the most of it and turn our sleep into a superpower for recovery. The next area is nutrition, because navigating recovery involves more than just rest. It also is about what we eat. Nutrition acts as the fuel that helps our bodies to bounce back after exercise, repairing muscles and replenishing energy levels. Now, when we're thinking about recovery nutrition, balance is key. After a workout, your body is in a prime state to repair and rebuild muscle fibers. This is where a balanced intake of proteins and carbohydrates becomes crucial. When it comes to proteins, I want you to think of them as the building blocks for muscle repair. Incorporating protein into your post-workout meal or snack helps to mend those micro tears caused by exercise. Options like lean meats, fish, eggs, or plant-based proteins are excellent choices. Carbohydrates. Carbs are your body's main energy source. After exercising, replenishing your glycogen stores with carbohydrates ensures that you have fuel for your next activity. Fruits and vegetables are ideal for sustainable energy, and a moderate use of whole grains can be helpful too. And don't forget about the water. Hydration is a cornerstone of effective recovery. Water supports every metabolic function and nutrient transfer in the body, and is essential for efficient recovery. Making sure that you're well hydrated before, during, and after exercise aids in muscle repair and general well-being. Now let's talk about rest days. Embracing rest days is as important as the workouts themselves. These are moments where your body heals and gets stronger, making them a critical component of a balanced fitness routine. We'll talk about the two types of rest. Sometimes the best recovery comes from taking a complete day off from structured exercise. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't be active in other more leisurely ways. Gentle movements like walking or stretching can keep you mobile without overtaxing your body. And then there's active recovery. On active recovery days, engage in light activities that stimulate blood flow to the muscles without stressing them. This can include activities like yoga, like cycling, or a leisurely swim. These low-intensity activities can help reduce soreness and improve mobility. Tuning into your body. If you recognize the signals that your body is giving you, that's super important. If you're feeling overly tired or sore, it might be a sign to take it easy and opt for a rest day or gentle movement. Remember, integrating rest days into your routine isn't a sign of laziness. It is a smart strategy for long-term health and fitness. By integrating rest and nutrition into your routine, you're not just aiding in recovery, you're investing in your long-term health. Proper nutrition provides the materials your body needs to repair itself, while rest ensures you have the energy and resilience for daily life and your next workout. In essence, recovery is about treating your body with care and respect. It's the balance of activity and rest fueled by the right nutrition that enables us to thrive. So let's commit to nourishing and resting our bodies with the same enthusiasm that we bring to our workouts. This holistic approach to fitness is the key to feeling vibrant and energetic. So now, let's talk about planning your recovery. Let's take a strategic approach, because recovery isn't just a thing that happens. It's an essential part of your fitness journey that requires thoughtful planning, like any other aspect of your health regimen. Recovery strategies should be personalized and integrated into your daily and weekly routines. So let's explore how to make recovery a deliberate part of your lifestyle. First, listen to your body. The foundation of effective recovery planning is tuning in to your body's cues. Recognize the signs of fatigue, soreness, or general weariness as signals that your body needs rest. Acknowledging these signs and adjusting your activities accordingly is crucial to prevent overtraining and injuries. Flexibility is key. A rigid fitness schedule might look impressive on paper, but it doesn't always align with your body's needs. So incorporate flexibility into your recovery plans. It means that you're willing to adjust based on how you feel. If you've had a particularly grueling workout, maybe swap your next high-intensity session for a rest day or an active recovery day. And it's okay to commit to scheduling a rest day, at least one complete rest day per week in your routine. It doesn't mean you have to be completely sedentary. Don't lie on the couch all day, but gentle restorative activities are encouraged. But the focus should be on allowing your body to heal and recharge without the stress of intense workouts. Also plan for those active recovery days where you might be exercising, but your exercise is more about moving your body gently without pushing its limits. Yoga, walking, light cycling can increase blood flow, help reduce muscle soreness, and improve flexibility, all while aiding your recovery. So look at your schedule, identify where your workout fits, then designate specific days for complete rest and active recovery. Remember, recovery include sleep, nutrition, hydration, and stress management. Make sure these elements are also a part of your plan. Recovery is your ally. And as we wrap this up today, remember, this is where the real magic of health and performance improvement is going to happen. It's not just a break from your fitness routine, but an active and vital component of it. By prioritizing recovery, you are investing in your body's ability to perform better, reduce the risk of injury, and achieve sustainable health gains. It should be viewed as an empowering tool, not a hindrance. It's about giving your body what it needs to thrive, not just survive. And as you continue on your fitness journey, let the principles of intentional rest, mindful nutrition, and listening to your body guide you towards a more balanced and healthier life. Remember, the goal today isn't just to inspire you to do something, but provide practical strategies that you actually can do in your life. Recovery is that secret weapon to maintaining your peak performance. So embrace it with passion and dedication that you give to your workouts. It will transform your body and transform your health. We'll see you in the next video.